Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you've probably heard around the planner community, it is Krissyanne Designs anniversary week. Alright, so since it is Kristen's shop anniversary of 12 years, congrats to Kristen and her team. I wanted to share with you guys her 12-year anniversary bundle that will be available on May 20th starting at noon Central Standard Time. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So the cost of this bundle is $54.95, and you guys are going to be blown away by all of the things that are included in this anniversary bundle. Kristen has been known to kind of just go over the top with so many awesome things, and this year is absolutely no different. So the total value is $98.50, but with the sale price being $54.95, that is a huge savings of 30%. So you're definitely going to want to grab this while it is available. I believe last year they sold out pretty fast. So I'll be sure to leave a link for you down in the description of this video. And like I said, it will be available Friday, May 20th, starting at noon Central Standard Time. Alright, so first up, we do have an A5 dot grid notebook. It says best day ever, and of course it has the KrissyanneDesigns.com website on the bottom there. It's like this nice pink, like buttery material. It's definitely a bullet journal style book. It's literally just dot grid. I love it. She's included them before, and I'm not gonna lie, I tend to just kind of hoard them because I'm so scared to use these notebooks, but I think that this is incredibly generous to include in the bundle, especially if you have been looking for a dot grid book and you want something a little extra special from Krissyanne Designs. I do love that it has a pocket back here, which is pretty cool, and of course it has an elastic closure. I just love that it's pink, which is like her pink and like her signature color. So if this whole kit was nothing but pink, I would not be shocked. Alright, so next up is this stencil. I'm going to kind of put this book behind it so you guys can see it a little bit better. I was so excited to see that this stencil was included in this year's anniversary bundle. She did have one in last year's anniversary bundle. I do have a coil clip attached to mine, but I use this thing literally every single day. I mean, it's literally got everything that you could possibly need on here, so it was kind of nice to see that there was a newer version. I love that she still included like a lot of the essentials, like these squares, like for checklists and habit tracking, circles, lines, different types of event labels. And I love that this year there are now numbers, and it feels like a little bit of a thicker material, which I really also like. And it is already punched for you, so it will work in like your mini binder. I believe it also, because of the way that it is punched, that it will work in a mini binder as well, which is awesome. The way that it's punched gives it lots of flexibility, which is great. I think that this is another stencil that I'm going to be including in a lot of my planning. I'm just really excited about it, especially like the weekend. Probably the numbers more than anything, but I'm also really glad that it includes the squares, because that's probably the one that I use absolutely every single day. Next up is the mini decal set. This is super cute. It has the 12 years of CAD. I just love this, and it's got the like raised edge. I'm sure that there's a more technical term for it, but it's really kind of cool to feel it. I've seen a lot of these stickers being released in her shop, and I just think that it's kind of cool to have like that three-dimensional look. I know it's going to kind of be hard to see on camera, but I really do love these. And again, these are samplers that I love to collect from Kristen. Next, you're going to get 8 mini sticker sheets, which is going to be perfect for all of your planning needs. You have this sampler that has your date covers, a couple of Steves, a weekend sticker, and even some of the numbers that you're going to need for those date covers. And this is like so cute, perfect for the blackout planning on the black planner pages that you've probably been seeing throughout the community. Then you've got a rainbow sampler for, I guess you could say each day if you really wanted to use these for each day of the week. But you have a pink sampler, and each of them has a different quote box up on the top left there. You have the oh so happy in the orange, the surprise in the yellow, which is also really cute, best day ever in the green, And then you've got some balloons in the teal color, Your Day in the blue, love that one, and then Make a Wish in the purple. I love all of these because these are really, really great for daily planning, but you could also use these to supplement some of your other kits from Krissyanne Designs, which I know is something that I will do. I would probably use these more so in my daily planner, but these are just all so freaking adorable. Next up is a roll of 5mm washi. This is super, super cute to match all of the kits and the other elements in this anniversary bundle, and it wouldn't be an anniversary bundle without something extra special like a matching washi cutter. Like Kristen literally thought of everything. This is so freaking cute, and so you can actually just cut your washi very easily. This actually works really, really well. I've actually ordered a few of these from Kristen and haven't used them quite as often as I should, but let me tell you, these cut the washi very, very precise. It's like a nice acrylic material. It does have the balloon animals on there, and then of course the Krissyanne Designs website. Next up is the Krissyanne Designs permanent marker. You've probably kind of seen these already floating around because Kristen had them on her tables at Go Wild and did release a few of them on her website a while back. So it's kind of cool to have one of these included in the anniversary bundle. It is an all-purpose permanent marker, and it is ultra fine point. So you can see that right there. It is definitely a finer tip than, like, say, your Papermate flares, but you could even use it to write on washi and not have any issues or smudging or anything like that. I don't know if I need to get a little bit closer so I can show you guys, but it's not going to smudge. Last but certainly not least is the mini binder. This thing is so friggin' cute. I have been obsessed with Kristen's binders since she came out with them years and years ago. Recently, she started adding these mini binders, but there's really nothing mini about them. They can hold just as much as her larger binders, but obviously this is made for her smaller sheets. So you're going to be able to store quite a bit in these mini binders, and it's made more so specifically for these smaller sheets like you have right here, and they are punched specifically for those binders, which is great. And I just, again, I have to say, like, I love how Kristen has thought of everything because they can fit in here. But if you wanted to take these stickers along with you in a larger binder, you would just get your binder out, and you can see these are punched the same way, but they would also fit in the larger binder in the 3-ring ones as well, which is really, really awesome. I love that she's really thought of that, and I've got washi stuck to that one. But you can definitely fill this up with all of your sticker needs. This is perfect for travel because, like I said, it is a much smaller size. This is just so freaking cute. Okay guys, that is everything that is going to be available in the Krissyanne Designs 12-year anniversary bundle. Again, this bundle will go on sale Friday, May 20th, starting at noon Central Standard Time. I will be sure to leave a link down below that you can use on Friday to place your order, and you're definitely going to want to stick around all week long. It's already midweek, but they've had lots of fun events planned for this entire week of Kristen's anniversary. But of course, you're watching this today on Wednesday. So today over at Krissyanne.com, it is Washi Wednesday. She'll have a lot of new washi debuting, and of course, markdowns on other washi collections, as well as washi stands and washi cutters will return with some new designs. So that's super exciting. Now tomorrow is going to be Thirsty Thursday. Her drinkware collection of water bottles and coffee mugs will also be on special. And of course, there will be new products then as well. And of course, Friday, this collection will be available, but so will her self-care collection. So you definitely want to keep an eye out on the Krissyanne Instagram and of course, Krissyanne.com. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to hear your thoughts on the anniversary bundle and if you plan on getting one. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.